Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove smart sidebar in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If you swipe from the right edge of your screen near buttons, you will have these functions. This is called smart sidebar. Okay, see here. So if you would like to remove this smart sidebar by opening by swiping here, just you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to special features and here select smart sidebar and just turn off this button smart sidebar so that it will be now removed from the right side edge here. Okay, if you swipe side in the right side edge here, smart sidebar will not open because it is already removed from your phone. In this way you can easily remove smart sidebar in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.